Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade continues its legacy as a benchmark in the luxury SUV segment, blending opulent design, advanced technology, and robust performance. This model year introduces significant updates, including a refreshed exterior, a state-of-the-art interior, and the debut of an all-electric variant, the Escalade IQ. Exterior design. The 2025 Escalade showcases a bold and commanding presence. The front fascia features vertical LED headlights inspired by the Escalade IQ, complemented by an illuminated Cadillac crest and grille surround. For the first time, 24-inch wheels are available, enhancing its imposing stance. New color options, such as Aegean stone green and deep-sea metallic blue, provide a fresh aesthetic appeal. Interior features. Inside, the Escalade offers unparalleled luxury and technological sophistication. A curved, pillar-to-pillar 55-inch total diagonal LED display integrates both driver and passenger information, providing a seamless digital experience. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather and genuine wood trims. An available executive second-row seating package adds stowable tray tables, personal 12.6-inch touchscreens, and massaging seats, ensuring comfort for all passengers. Performance. The traditional Escalade is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The high-performance Escalade V variant boasts a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.4 seconds. Notably, the diesel engine option has been discontinued for this model year. Escalade IQ, the all-electric variant. Marking a significant milestone, Cadillac introduces the Escalade IQ, its first all-electric full-size SUV. Built on GM's Ultium platform, the Escalade IQ offers an estimated range of over 700 kilometers on a full charge. Its dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers up to 750 horsepower and 785 lb-ft of torque in Velocity Max mode, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. The vehicle supports 800-volt DC fast charging, adding approximately 160 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. Advanced technology. The 2025 Escalade is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including the Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance system, which operates on compatible roads across the US and Canada. The infotainment system features Google built-in, providing seamless access to Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play. An immersive 40-speaker AKG Studio reference audio system is available, delivering exceptional sound quality throughout the cabin. Safety features. Cadillac prioritizes safety with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features include blind zone steering assist, intersection automatic emergency braking, HD surround vision, enhanced automatic parking assist, and front pedestrian and bicyclist braking, all designed to enhance driver awareness and occupant protection. Pricing and availability. Production of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade and Escalade IQ is set to begin in the summer of 2024 at GM's Factory Zero in Detroit-Hamtramck, Michigan. Pricing details will be announced closer to the start of sales. The Escalade IQ is expected to start at $130,000, reflecting its position as a flagship luxury electric SUV. For a visual overview and more detailed insights into the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, you can watch the following video.